Welcome to my deep dive into Notta.ai, where I analyze if this AI meeting transcription tool lives up to the hype, using only the facts from their official website. Notta positions itself as more than a note-taker. It's a platform that visualizes meeting decisions. Core features include transcription for 58 languages, a Notta brain to extract insights, and the ability to generate presentations, infographics, and action items. Let's start with the positives. First, the free tier gives you 200 transcription minutes monthly with full features, no credit card required. Second, it supports multiple workflows. Join online meetings, Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, record in person or upload audio-video files. Third, enterprise-grade security SOC 2 GDPR ensures your data stays private. Fourth, integrations with Google Drive, Notion, Slack, and Salesforce are clearly stated. Now the negatives based strictly on the site. There are 4 plans. The free plan gives you 120 transcription minutes per month with a 3-minute limit per conversation, 50 file uploads, and 10 AI summaries, but no exports. The Pro plan costs $7 per month, billed annually at $83.99, jumping to 1,800 minutes per month, 5 hours per recording, 100 file uploads, 100 AI summaries, and adds exports, translation, custom vocabulary, plus CRM and Zapier integration. The business plan is $15.83 per month, billed annually at £199, and offering unlimited transcription minutes, still 5 hours per recording, 200 file uploads, 200 AI summaries, and adds video recording, advanced security, and usage reports. Finally, the enterprise plan has custom pricing starting from 51 seats with unlimited transcription, file uploads, and AI summaries, plus SAML SSO, full data access control, audit logs, flexible payments, and priority support. Thanks for watching, and check the description for a link to their security certifications and language list. Thanks for the video, and see you later.